Here's one for the Mustang fans. Good looking Fastback. 1969 Ford Mustang Fastback. Frame off restoration, basically done from 2020 till 2022. There are miscellaneous receipts as far as engine, body, service, parts, that type of thing that will go along with the car, so you can sure consult with a sales associate about that. Underneath the hood, 427 Carroll Shelby aluminum block that is bored to a 511. This one sounds like it's making a little power. We're going to start it up at the end of the video, check out the engine bay, let you hear it run. 4-speed manual transmission. Let's take a look at this front bumper, grille, of course driving lights, chin spoiler. Nice beat, medium blue metallic with the black stripes. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. You can also call us 507-386-1726. BF Goodrich radials, those are just 4 years old, 3-4 years old. It was late in 2020 those were put on. And the wheels, American Racing polished wheels, I believe, are pretty much brand new, put on this spring. According to the receipts, let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see paint shows well, has a nice shine to it, not full of any major nicks, dings, scratches, dents, anything like that. This car is going to turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds, folks. Bucket seats, center console, there's your 4-speed on the floor. Very stock looking interior until we get around and look at the gauge cluster. Nice aftermarket gauge cluster. Fits this car well. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, true dual exhaust, rear chrome bumper, of course, spoiler. Great look to this car. And again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're into Mustangs, definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here for Mustangs. A lot of specialty ones come through, older fastbacks like this. A little bit of everything. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor if you can make it see us in person. And as you can see, driver's side, same as the passenger, nice shape, paint has a nice shine to it, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. And considering a more recent restoration, you wouldn't expect it. Let's take a look at this interior. Also, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. In the still pictures, you're going to be able to see the door tag if you'd like to do any decoding with that. Seats, vinyl buckets in nice shape, no rips, tears, holes. Little aftermarket Shelby steering wheel, and like I said, the actual gauges. Other than that, pretty nice, stock looking interior. AM radio I did have working. Headliner looks good. Let's fire this up. I think you're going to like the way this one sounds. Looks like about 1784. I don't know if you can make that out or not because how bright it is. 1,784 miles since the cluster was put in and probably the restoration done. All right, Holly 4-barrel sitting atop, the V8 underneath the hood. Told you this one will turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. All right, let me just pause this real quick. Let's get this hood open, check out that engine bay, and then like I said, stick around to the very end. We're gonna take this car for a drive. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. And engine bay. Again, 427 bored to a 511. Shelby aluminum block. Holley 4-barrel on top of there. Power brakes, MSD ignition. Cruise control is added. '69 Ford Mustang Fastback. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. Restoration done between 2020 and 2022. A lot of miscellaneous receipts with it. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1969 Ford Mustang in a beautiful blue color with some black stripes. The hood scoop, the 428 on the hood. This is a 4-speed, 4 on the floor. For more fun, lots of accelerating power in this car, lots of fun. We have aftermarket gauges in the dash. Speedometer is working. Battery is showing 14 volts. The fuel gauge is showing 3/4 of a tank. Our tachometer also working. Oil pressure is 70 psi and the temperature is about 170. All of that nicely within view on the new gauges. The factory Philco radio is working.
Today it's $2 taps.
Nice custom console in the middle here with cup holders. A lot of the rest of this car appears a stock look to me. The seats are nice vinyl original look to them. Nice new looking carpet. Dash looks great. It's got corners as it should. Lots of fun. Very nice Ford Mustang. Take a look at all the pictures or give us a call at 507-386-1726. Our website again is uniqueclassiccars.com.